Alright guys, we have an IC Realtime NVR. It's making a beeping noise, so that's a good indicator that the hard drive is failing. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and look at the hard drives and probably replace them. So we're going to go to the back here. You can see we have just the one screw up here, and that's it to take off this top cover. So let's go ahead and remove the top cover. Once you remove that top cover, you're going to see we have two hard drives in here, and we're going to remove them both because both of them have been failing and we've been getting a beeping noise in this particular DVR. So we're going to disconnect the cables. And then we're going to unscrew the screws holding the hard drives in. Alright, we got our two 6 terabyte drives that we're replacing these two drives with. One was a 1 terabyte and a 6 terabyte, and we're going to replace them with two 6 terabytes so we're getting plenty of recording storage. So let's go ahead and replace these drives back where they were at with the new ones. Alright, we got our first drive in, SATA cable on, power, and we screwed it in. Now let's go ahead and get the top panel on. And now we can put our second drive up in this bay. Alright, we mounted our second drive now. Go and plug in the power. And our SATA cable. And let's go ahead and put the cover on, the screws on. Now we need to boot this back up and go into the console and format these drives so that you can start recording. Once you log into console, you're going to want to go to the setup tab. And then you're going to go to storage media. And you can see now we have the two hard drives that are showing up as normal status, both showing the 6 terabytes. And we're going to click on one and hit format, then hit save. And then it's going to format the operation on reboot. And we have to do that to both the drives. And then you guys should be all set for recording again. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.